And I like to show you my techniques for super finely diced on onions, celery, and carrot today. For the onions, we first cut off the ends. I cut in the middle into half. Put half of the onion at the edge of your cutting board and use the knife perpendicular to your cutting board and make fine cut. Now we use the vertical cut. And finally, we turn it 90 degrees and cut it down. Now you have your finely diced onion. Now let's dice carrot. Cut both ends off, peeler to peel it. Cut the carrot into manageable length that is shorter than the blade of your knife. First, make cut so you can turn your carrot flat on the cutting board so you can hold it tight and it's very stable. Okay, that's good. Pile them up and cut them into strips. We can make into the thin dice you want. Just dice it. That's the finely diced carrot. Now let's dice our celery stalk. Cut off the ends on both sides, and I'm going to peel the back off. In this way, your celery is not going to have that tough and fibrous texture, and it'll be very tender and sweet. Similar as a carrot, I'm going to first cut them into manageable length, and I will cut them in half so it's more flat. So from here, it's very easy just to cut them into thin strips. And finally, you can just cut them into fine dice. Now you have your finely diced celery.